How to check who has screenshotted your Snapchat story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can check who has screenshotted your Snapchat story. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, locate your Snapchat and then open it up. After you're here, you can then post a story. Let's click a story right here and then add it to my story. After you've uploaded the story, you can tap on the top left corner where normally the Bitmoji is. And after you do that, you can then see your story. So let's open up a story, and this is a story I posted a while back. Normally, whenever you post a story, you can then see the people that have watched it. Now this is what it looks like normally. Now when someone has screenshotted a story, you'll find the screenshot option or the screenshot notification right under the name of the people that have screenshotted the story. There you can see the screenshot icon. That's how you can find out if someone has screenshotted your Snapchat story. And that's basically it guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.